Paisans, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. You know what it is. It's me, it's the TTG. Thrifting Goomba Michael here, coming at you with a what sold video. What I sold over the first 2 weeks of June. Okay, so we're going to jump into it. There's some things that I haven't included. I had a couple of small sales on Bonanza. Had some Amazon FBM sales. So I have that. But before we get started, a couple things. Number one, if you like this kind of stuff, please hit that subscribe button. Click that little bell. Click the all so you get notified when I do this kind of stuff. Number two, every week, myself, John, Nevermore Antiques, Oscar El Cubanaso do that reselling show. And, you're going to catch us Wednesdays, 10 o'clock, 9 Central, 7 Pacific. All right? We come live. We have guests trying to bring a lot of value to the show. And special 1 week from tonight, myself and Oscar are going to be doing a live pack break 2019-2020 Mosaic basketball. So we got some blaster boxes and some cello packs. We're going to be doing those live. It's going to be on my channel. You'll be seeing the post out there. I'm going to get it all set up so we can go ahead and get as many people as we can to watch this. It's going to be very, very cool. Don't miss it. All right. With all that, please, anything that you see, any kind of questions or anything like that, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer as soon as possible. If you have any questions about anything that you see, please go ahead and ask. And just in the description, there's my contact information for Instagram, for Gmail if you want to email me, and there's a list of products that I use. If you go ahead and you click on those, doesn't cost you an extra penny, but my channel makes, I don't know, couple 3 cents. So here we go. Let's get into it right now. What's sold on the bay? So our first sale is an action figure. I will say one thing. This is the first time in a while that I've done this video where I did not have any international sales. Everything was just, to the USA. Kind of bummed out that I kind of broke my streak, but hey, it's cool. All right, hey, Hulk. This was Walgreens buy that I did when Walgreens marked a bunch of their stuff down. Still have 2 more available. This I paid $1.47. Sold it. I'm still running a 20% off sale on my toys. So $9.19 plus shipping. Once again, I will tell you, music CDs do not sell. If you're in the Marietta, Georgia area, please continue to leave them behind. Thank you very much. Here's a CD. Paid $1.34. Full price, $49.99. Free shipping. Hey, when do you list Christmas? I should probably wait till like October, November before it's Christmas. No. Well, you can. You can go ahead and wait. I'm not going to wait. I have Christmas stuff listed all year long, and look what happens. In June, somebody needed a musical tie, I'd Rather Be Golfing, and it has a little button, you play it, and it actually plays music. So somebody needed this tie in June. I'm happy with it. I'm glad I had it so I can provide them with what they needed. Paid 27 cents. Took a best offer of $7.88 plus shipping. Pair of clippers. These you don't make a lot of money. They were selling. They're not selling that well anymore. And you don't make a lot of money on them, but it's fast money. So you don't make a big ROI, but you do go ahead and get your, funds quick. So I did pay $20 for this. It did sell for the $39.99 free shipping. Probably at the end of the day, made like $6-7. Not great, but I made money, didn't lose money, and I made a sale, which ultimately that's what we want to do. Elf booster drops. So one of the things that's happened over the last couple of weeks with these videos is that it's not a lot of actual slides that you'll see, but it's a bunch of products, because I had a number of products where people bought multiples. Like, for instance, here you'll see that actually the person went ahead and bought both of these. I had 2 sets of 2. I did give a discount of, I think, 12% or something like that if you bought more than one. So somebody did buy all of them. This was a Walmart clearance item. So I had $2.12 into all 4 pieces. So they were 50 cents a piece. And sold them for $21.54 with free shipping. And I threw these in a box. I could have threw them in an envelope, but throw all 4 of them in an envelope, in a little padded envelope. Put them over 4 ounces anyway. So I just went ahead and put them in a box, because once you get over 4 ounces, 4.1 ounce up to 8 ounces is all the exact same price. So make the customer happy, better presentation, put them in a box, get good reviews. Shot glass, the big chicken. So here in Marietta, Georgia, as you can see, Marietta, Georgia right there, we have something called the Big Chicken. You could look it up. It is a big place where it's a tourist attraction. People go there, they say they eat at the Big Chicken. It's a Kentucky Fried Chicken place. And the Big Chicken is famous. It's if you look it up again, look up Big Chicken, Marietta, Georgia, you'll see it. But I sold this shot glass. It actually went to Pennsylvania. Paid 50 cents. I got this at a garage sale. Paid with about 6 other shot glasses. Came out to 50 cents a piece. I bundled them all together. And I sold it, took a best offer of $12 plus shipping. Scarway. This one, I might have left some money on the table. This was a Walmart clearance item. I paid $1 for it, $1.06 I should say. I did get the $15.99 free shipping. I listed this, just for sake of argument, like at 8 p.m. and it sold by 8:20 p.m. So this sold really, really fast. So I may have left some money on the table. Not, maybe only a few more dollars. Not like I would have sold it for $49, but maybe I could have got $19.99 or $21.99. So I left a couple of bucks on the table on that. But hey, I'm okay. And why I'm okay? Because I made money. So these Southworth tags are a very interesting thing. When I first started Amazon, this was the first product that I went on the hunt for and hit multiple Walmarts and bought pretty much all they had. And one sold at Walmart. As you can see here, 16 available, 10 sold. So somebody came in, they bought 10 of these. And why? Because at 10, you were getting a better price. So they bought 10 of them, so they got a heck of a lot better price. But I had to recall these from Amazon because sitting there in Amazon, I sold one. So I actually had a total of 27. I sold only one. So somebody went ahead and logged on, had to have them. I paid $31.30 because I paid $3.13 for each one. And they sold for $81.90 plus free shipping. So you see, if you buy 4 or more, you pay $8.19 a piece. So Silkies control top pantyhose. This was a donation from my wife. Not exactly sure how she got these. Somebody many years ago gave her a bag, all brand new, and been selling them, maybe once every 2 or 3 months. Got a bunch of them. This is one of those ones where I told you last time, these were on auction. This is one of those items where, you know what, I'm not going to waste a bin on it. I'll throw it out there, and I throw them out there for, I believe, like a 5-day auction or a 7-day auction. So this way I can show it brand new every 4 times every single month. So every 7 days it goes over again. And like I said, every now and again they show and stuff. So my investment, really, I put a penny because they were given away free. They did sell for $9.39 free shipping. These were, go at the 4-ounce rate. So it was all good. Baby Bullet OEM. If you remember in my haul video, I had all that Baby Bullet stuff. And remember, I told you it wound up breaking it down. And being that I didn't have the main base, I parted it out. And I have everything listed separately. So I paid $7.99 for the whole thing. Last video, I sold 1 pack of 2. This video, I sold the last pack of 2. With this sale, I am already in the profit, and I still have 14 more items to sell. Well, actually, 13. Spoiler alert for next video. So I'm already in the profit by just selling these 2. So everything else is, just all pure profit, gravy on top of gravy on top of gravy. So breaking it down, 50 cents. Got my $6.99. Oh, I put free shipping. Sorry, it wasn't free shipping. It was plus shipping. I'm sorry to do that to you, but it's plus shipping. Another one of these little trucks sold this month. This was number 14. Test subject. Again, these are not running the sale. These are not big money makers. It's a couple of dollars. I mean, I make more. I double my money, which is still okay. Simple to list, simple to store, simple to ship. $1.06, $6.43 free shipping. Again, and a lot of it because it all got sucked into that 20% off sale that I'm doing. Tommy Copper. Hey, Tommy, Buffalo Picker. How you doing, buddy? Haven't seen you in a while. Looking forward to seeing you again. Compression sleeves. Found 2 of these. Sold this one. Oh, it says 0 available. What do you mean? Another spoiler alert. These were a Walmart clearance item. I looked them up and said, you know what? Let's go ahead and get them. I paid $3.93. On this one, somebody was a watcher. I sent the best offer. $20.12. Free shipping. Boom. Women's Teva shoes. I got these at a church rummage sale. Nothing, too crazy. I paid $1. They did sell for the full price plus shipping. Here's that other item that I told you I had a bunch of them. So I had 4 of these. This is another one of those winter, fall scents that you will see starting to come out. I'm hoping over these next couple of months, I got a couple other scents that are, specific to that time of year. So I'm hoping I can get through some of these other ones so they're not sitting around. But somebody came in and they bought all 4, one shot. And these, I didn't have a discount if you bought more than one. So my cost for these was 53 cents a piece, so $2.12. And sold them all $32, $36 plus shipping. Now again, these are aerosols, so that's why it says economy shipping. When you're sending an aerosol, it cannot go air, it has to go ground. So if you're selling aerosols, make sure that you have that in your listing. You don't want to send these. I know there's going to be people going to say, hey man, I don't care, I'm going to do it. Don't do it. make sure you're safe with your shipping. You do need special stickers on there. Look them up. There's a Black Diamond, and then there's another one that says, I believe it's an ORMD label that you put on the boxes, so that this way people know, oh, this cannot go on a plane. It has to go ground. And then last but certainly not least was the big sale of the week. You know, I should figure out a way to do like what Uncle Jimmy does at Uncle B's. Jimmy at Uncle B's Collectibles. He goes, ta-da! You know, flash sale of the week. Boom, boom, boom. This I've had for a little while. It is a DeLonghi, Nespresso single serve. And found this. I paid $7.40. And it did sell for the $109.99 plus shipping, and this was shipped FedEx because of the weight. I believe once it got in the box, it was about 17 pounds. So this went ahead and was the big sale of the last 2 weeks. And like I said, I did have some other sales. I did make some. I did have some. Not Facebook Marketplace. I did have Amazon fulfillment by merchant. I did have Bonanza, and again, nothing too great. I think I sold some soap and some other stuff on Amazon, some candy, I think it was. So with that, thank you very much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. For those of you still watching, thank you very, very much. I truly, truly appreciate you being here and watching me, helping me, grow every time you guys put comments and questions and stuff. And, it really helps me out a lot, helps me grow as a content provider. So please, comment, good, bad, ugly. I don't care. I'm a big boy. I can handle it. You can go ahead and tell me that these things are horrible, and that's fine. I'll just tell me how to make them better, so I can go ahead and continue to give out good content for you guys that want to see this type of stuff. So, with that being said, as we always say here at the TGG channel, go out there and make them an offer that they can't refuse. Peace. Love you guys.